Hello friends, welcome to the EasyTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a long screenshot in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. This is the website where I want to take a long screenshot. Now, search for the Go Full Page extension. Open the first link. Now, click on Add to Chrome. Tap on Add Extension. The extension has been successfully installed. Now click on the extension's icon and pin the Go Full Page extension. Now, I will take a long screenshot of this website template. Just a single click on the Go Full Page extension will automatically start taking screenshots. This may take some time depending on the website's length. The screenshot has been successfully taken. Now, you can save this template as a PDF or PNG file. Just click on Download PNG. Go to the Downloads folder and open the image. You can see the PNG image has been fully downloaded. You can also save the screenshot as a PDF. To do this, simply click on Download PDF. If this video helps you, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more related videos. For any questions, feel free to use the comments section. Thanks for watching.